Okay, this is just a quick unboxing of the new fall winter season 2020 week 1. This is the Camp Cap. I've already opened this bag because I had to check out the hat. It's so cool when I first got it. I'll show you that in a second. Also that came in a package was the rubberized gloves, which seems to be like the freebie for this season, which is kind of cool. The usual little sticker pack. There's a couple of random ones in there. I think some of these are t-shirts as well, so that's kind of cool. And yeah, just an empty box. So this is the cap. Get rid of that. As you can see, it is the zip mesh Camp Cap, made in China. The mesh is quite cool on this. I thought it'd be a good summer hat. Black goes with anything. And I was feeling the zip, which I think is great as a little stash pocket, or just for like your keys or whatever, you know, it's kind of cool. The fit's really good. The nylon back's perfect, adjustable to the right size, really easy to slide back and forth. All look good. The fit's nice, like I said. And yeah, it's just a nice, really good 5-panel Camp Cap. Decent quality, good value for money. Yeah, it's cool. Thank you very much.